Hi everyone, warm welcome to all. In continuation with the previous video, today we will see how Cancer total solar eclipse in Ashlesha Nakshatra may impact us in our real life for each sign. Watch Cancer and Capricorn very closely because the natural 4th and 10th axis gets activated strongly with this eclipse. And also watch Mercury ruled sign, that is Gemini and Virgo, for the impact and some major corrections. Expect change where we are emotionally entangled, mentally over attached, silently burdened, even, or still holding on to something that has already completed its purpose. A very significant time for some closure, release, some correction, and understanding in our inner truth. Start with Aries. For Aries, this eclipse can work strongly through your home, family matters, something related to property, your inner peace, some emotional security related things, and your relationship with your responsibilities. Something around your home life or your emotional foundation may now need some correction. This can be a family pattern, a house related decision, pressure involving your parents, or the realization that your peace has been tied too much on others' mood here. So, if you have been absorbing too much, adjusting too much, or holding your emotional tension inside, this eclipse can make that impossible to ignore. At the same time, your career pressure can also speak loudly because home and work balance can be very tricky. This is not the time to make rushed family decision on one emotional strong moment. And don't carry any burden without asking your own self about what you really want to change. This is the time to protect your peace, simplify your emotional obligations, and create a stronger inner base first. Taurus. For Taurus, this eclipse can bring movement through your communication, some sibling related matters, through some short travel, your own beliefs, some documentation, paperwork, your own thinking, learning something new, and the way you handled repeated conversations here. Some message or discussion or one delayed decision can be very significant now. Also, be careful of reacting too quickly to what you hear. There can also be some closure in the way you think, an old idea, a repeated worry, or a draining conversation pattern may now start losing inner power of yours. So, some documents, calls, or some agreements, travel related matters, your business planning, something related to communication can all need your closure attention. Avoid harsh words here, even gossips, careless promises given to others, or signing something without your mental clarity. Use this period to speak less, even less impulsively, and think more clearly before saying anything. Gemini. For Gemini, this eclipse can directly impact your finances, your family priorities, your speech, your self worth, savings, your food habits, and also your sense of security. What you say, buy, what you value, what you agree to, and what you emotionally depend on can all start changing from here. You may realize that your financial pattern, your family expectation, your speaking style, or attachment to comfort can no longer continue in the same way anymore now. A conversation about finances or family may become the trigger here. So be careful what you speak. And as the days move forward with eclipse, more truth can come through some discussion, some documentation, your budget review, or a decision that had been delayed so far. This is not the time to speak from panic or spend only to feel better here. And do not say yes just to keep temporary peace in the family. This is the time to refine your values, protect your resources, and speak with maturity. Cancer. It's one of the biggest time of your life to bring some change. This eclipse is in your own sign in Ashlesha, close to Gandanta, so the impact can feel very personal to you. Your identity, your emotions, health, your confidence, the direction of your life, your family role, and some personal choices can all start changing from here. This is not a small reset for you. It can feel like one version of you is quietly ending. It may be related to some emotional pressure, some silent fear, your family karma, having your protective shell always, your overthinking, or the habit of holding everything together without showing your own weaknesses. This eclipse can make you see where your emotional pattern has become too tight. Some message may keep unfolding through some repeated conversation, your inner realization, some important decision that you make, maybe some family discussion, or some practical matters that now need your close attention. From here on, what you feel may slowly become what must you say, you decide, or correct from here. Don't force clarity on day one and don't announce any decision before your emotions settle here. But also don't ignore what the eclipse is already showing you. This is the time to give yourself a truer emotional beginning. The old shell may crack from here, and what comes after can be wiser, softer, and more honest in nature. Leo. For Leo, this eclipse can work more privately. It can affect your sleep pattern, some hidden stress, gives some silent ending, shows your expensive nature or patterns, your emotional release, your inner healing, and what is happening behind the scenes in your life. Something may not look dramatic from outside, but inside you may feel that one chapter is already closing here. This can expose some hidden fear, some silent attachment, your emotional tiredness, or a burden you have been carrying without speaking openly about it. This is also why resting and sleep becomes more important here. Do not ignore your mind if it feels overloaded. Expect some deep realization, a quiet decision, or a behind the scenes conversation that changes how you feel about things. You may feel suddenly detached from some identity, your desires, or your egoistic reactions anymore. So let this period help you release what has finished its work in your life. Protect your peace, reduce any unnecessary noise of mind and feeling, and avoid pride based reactions for sure. Virgo. For Virgo, this eclipse can strongly impact your friend circle, your network, your future plans, even your social circles, your gains, hopes, your elder sibling matters, and the people around you who shape your next direction of your life. You may realize that some groups or friendships, maybe your future plans or your long held expectations, has become too draining, maybe unclear or dependent on old emotional bonds. Some people may naturally move out of your path. Some goals may need some reworking also. And some important conversation about your future may bring more clarity than expected. Your time is very active in your future planning, some meetings, messages, collaborations, or changes in the people you trust. Avoid saying yes to every group demand or holding on to a dream only because you already invested so much of emotions into it. This is the time to choose your clear career goals, set your desires, healthier support, and a more intelligent future direction for your own self. Libra. For Libra, this eclipse can work strongly through your career, your reputation, some authority figures, your public role, your responsibilities, your visibility, and your long term directions. Because it activates the 4 and 10 axis of your chart, your home and your work both demands your attention closely. If you have been managing pressure silently, pleasing the authority too much, or carrying a professional image that no longer matches your emotional truth, then this eclipse can expose that gap. A work decision, your role change, your family pressure affecting your career, or your inner exhaustion around all these matter and responsibility can become very important here to be verbalized. Do not react emotionally with seniors here and make a professional move only to escape the discomfort part. This is the time to handle your public role with more maturity while also asking what kind of success still feels real inside and then take your call. Scorpio. For Scorpio, this eclipse can bring big shift in your beliefs, your travel plans, something related to higher learning, some legal matters, your faith in life, the guidance that you have from your teachers or mentors or your seniors, and also the wider life's direction can change. Something that you believed strongly may now need your emotional honesty also. It can show where fear, some over controlling approach, your emotional reaction, or some hidden doubt has quietly shaped your bigger decisions of your life. A journey, some legal matter, your mentor's advice, or a spiritual realization can become very important here. Some repeated discussion around your studies, documentation related matters, some travel planning, or the truth of where your life is really heading can become very significant with this eclipse. Avoid any stubborn thinking or proving yourself right just because changing the direction feels uncomfortable to you. Basically, stay flexible. This is the time to let a wiser truth replace your old attachment to your own beliefs. Sagittarius. For Sagittarius, this eclipse can impact your finances, your trust issues, your family patterns, your hidden fears of change, some deep emotional bond, your debts, even taxes, loans, or your support system that comes from others. All these will be impacted. You may now see more clearly where trust has become heavy, where silence has become unhealthy, or where a bond is asking for truth and honesty here. This can also bring a closure in any financial dependency or emotional pattern that kept repeating in the background. Discussion about finances, documentation, some agreements, or your emotional honesty can become especially very important with this eclipse. This is not the time to hide the facts or promise support you cannot sustain, even. And do not avoid a serious conversation only because it feels uncomfortable at present. This is the time for mature emotional honesty and clean boundaries. Speak clearly. Capricorn. For Capricorn, this eclipse is one of the biggest one because it directly activates your close relationships. So rest of the world may become the mirror through which your own correction becomes very visible. Your marriage, partnerships, any agreements, your clients, close relationships, any public dealing, or emotional openness, all can become very active with this eclipse. You may realize that your relationship needs a new level of honesty, or some agreement may need a complete reworking also. At the same time, because Cancer is the opposite sign, the issue is not only about the other person here, it is also about your own way of carrying responsibility, having control within relationships, your emotional distance, or some silent pressure that you must be carrying. This eclipse can expose the difference between the commitment and the emotional burden to you. Expect some key conversations, some negotiations, some client matters, your decisions, or some clarification that become a turning point in your life. Do not shut down emotionally here just because the truth is uncomfortable, or make a final relationship decision in one strong mood of yours. But do not also ignore the repeated signals that you get either. This is the time to rebuild your relationship patterns with more maturity, honesty, and better emotional balance also. Aquarius. For Aquarius, this eclipse can impact your work life, your health, your routine, your loan related matters, some losses or expenditure that you might have, your co workers, and the systems that keep your life functioning all the time. There can be a change in your work pattern, the way you work, your habits, your stress level, your food patterns, or the way you keep ignoring your body while handling everything else properly. Expect more activity through your schedules, your future planning, your daily messages, your workplace, some discussion over there, and also some documentation work. And because later we have Aquarius lunar eclipse, what starts in some small correction in your routine may later show a bigger result in your life. This is not the time to ignore some small health signals or your expenses or your spending patterns. This is the time to simplify your daily system. Clean up what drains you and build a better rhythm with some discipline in your life. Pisces. For Pisces, this eclipse can impact your love life, romance, anything related to children, creativity, joy, your personal expression, learning something new, developing skills, some talents, or what truly lights up your heart. You may see where your expectations or some attachments, your unspoken pressure, or your emotional confusion has entered in the matter of your love, creativity, or children that has completely changed your perception. A romantic bond, maybe children related concern, some creative project, or heartfelt desire may now need your truth and some correction. Some repeated thoughts, maybe discussions, planning, or emotional review around all these matters can increase during this eclipse time. You don't need any validation here, but do not create drama where your personal clarity is needed. And do not hold on to an emotional fantasy when the real message is asking for a healthier expression of love or your creativity. This is the time to let the heart become clear, not harder on self. That was all about the personal impact for all the signs, and overall, this eclipse is showing where our emotion, our thoughts, our habits, even the hidden fears, or our close relationships are tightly coiled. Life may keep giving us this message again and again until we understand what really needs correction. So, if something now demands our emotional maturity, try not to resist only because it feels uncomfortable at present. This eclipse can guide us from the hidden pressure into a wiser clarity for sure if we remain open to it. That was all about the zodiac wise predictions for all these signs. I hope this was helpful. Best wishes to everyone with this eclipse. Thank you for your time. Do share your experiences in the comments and stay tuned for the next transit update. Thank you.